Welcome back to another edition of Trial by Fire, and today I'm going into the Inferno, and hoping that it's still good. Ages ago, I picked up a sample box, actually, the 2 sample boxes that they offer from Inferno Candy Company. And I just happened to run across one that I didn't try. So I'm kind of hoping it's still sealed. Could be a little stale, could be who knows what. But this is their Firecracker peanut butter cheese crackers. So I'm kind of hoping it's still decent. It contains cheddar cheese, butter, flour, peanuts, Carolina Reapers, scorpion peppers, sea salt, and milk. So it will be an interesting one to try. I think feels like it's like one little cracker sandwich in here. Yes, it is. And so it looks like your typical cheese crackers with some peanut butter in it. Oh boy, is it powdery. Should have worn gloves for this one. But yeah, superly cheesy powdered cracker. I'm going to be back because I'm going to get at least a couple napkins. And I'm back. Just grab Kleenex, clean out my fingers there for a moment. One to crumble on, and one in case I need it. So yeah, I can smell it from here. Ooh. I have not done an Inferno Candy Company product in a little while. They've always been highly, highly good and spicy. So go back and check out my playlist for them. And yeah, I've done quite a few products from them. They're well worth checking out. I haven't gotten any new products from them in a while. Mainly because I can't afford it. And I've been trying other stuff. But yeah, this is I don't know where the peppers are, if it's just in the peanut butter or if it's in the cheese powder. Probably both, knowing them. But this is, from the smell of this, I'm actually hesitant. Because I haven't done any of their super hot stuff in quite a while. And knowing them, they like to be super hot. So, here goes. Lots of cheese powder. Heat's kicking in. Oh yeah. Oh, she's kicking in. Oh. It's not killer, it's just dry. After my issue with the last One Chip Challenge, dryness is not my friend. Oh, I gotta get liquid in my mouth. Oh, it's stuck in my teeth. Now, heat-wise, I haven't looked this one up yet, so you guys will have information up here right about now. So you'll be able to know whether I'm guessing on this one pretty accurate. I'm gonna guess they're saying about 1 million on the Scoville, simply because of the peppers and that. I wouldn't put it that high. It's hot. Don't get me wrong, it's hot. I would probably put it at about maybe a 5 on my heat scale. I'm going to try the cracker by itself as well as the peanut butter in a minute, just to see which is the hotter part. Get into my sinuses. Mouth is still really dry. Again, don't know if that's because it's possibly stale. But let's try a bit of the cracker. Okay, so they've definitely mixed powder in with the powder on it's definitely a heat powder. But not super heat, like I can taste it. It could be a residue, I don't know. Because it does taste more cheesy. But very dry. I'm guessing most of the heat is in the peanut butter. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, the heat definitely seems to be in the peanut butter. It's actually not that bad right now. We'll eat it bit by bit. Just so dry it for that bite. The cracker is very stale. Flavor wise, about a 4. I love peanut butter, but just probably good because of how old this is. Oh, it's making my nose run. The cracker is dry. The peanut butter is very dry for peanut butter. It reminds me very much of when you go to like the bulk stores kind of thing and you can make your own peanut butter straight from the peanuts. The only oil in it, liquid, since it's from the peanuts itself. I won't lie, the heat is there. It's not super hot, but like I said, about a 5. It's lingering, but I think that's the just sitting against my tongue kind of heat right now. So dry. Yeah, Inferno Candy Company has some great products. Check them out. I don't want to say they got hundreds of products, but they're probably close to being about 100 products, unless they've discontinued some. But they got everything from chocolates to crackers to candy to condiments. They've got everything. But they're all spiced up. There's some great cereals too, which in my playlist you'll see them. Oh, can kind of feel it going down to the stomach right now. It's just like right, not hitting the hair area. So the dryness, I'm hoping, doesn't cause any issues. But yeah, so Inferno Candy Company again has not disappointed. But I'm gonna leave it at that one. Enjoy the heat, stay spicy. I'll see you next time, or who knows what I'll be trying. It could be something different, could be something similar. Could be something completely off the wall like me. But I'll see you next time. Take care. Can't get it out of my teeth.